Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to change language on your iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your settings, just tap on your settings. When you tap on it you can see a new interface just like this. Here you can see option of general, just tap on it. When you tap on it you can see another interface. Here you can see a option of language and region, just tap on it. When you tap on it you can see here and you can choose the add a language option to make your language selection from the list. Okay, and after this you can select as your favorite language and tap on, suppose I select Spanish, just tap on pop-up window, use Spanish. Okay, when you tap on it you can see your language has been changed. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please hit a like button. Thank you.